Have you noticed how the world is changing fast and food prices are skyrocketing and store shelves are often bare? It makes you wonder sometimes where your next meal is truly coming from. This isn't about fear, it's about power and taking back control. Hello again, and welcome back to Patricia Johnson Lifestyle Channel. Thank you for joining. Growing your own food is a real solution we can all be a part of starting today. When you grow your own, you know the whole story. You choose what goes into your body. And that's powerful. Fresh food, picked when it's ripe, tastes better and is full of nutrients. This isn't just about filling your belly. It's about nourishing your soul, your family, your community. When we grow food, we grow community. Imagine sharing your extra tomatoes with your neighbor. This is how we build stronger neighborhoods and become resilient. We can share tips, tools, and the bounty. This is especially important for the Black communities. We've always been connected to the land. Growing food can be a way to reclaim that heritage and build a future where we feed ourselves with pride and joy. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about food freedom. The power is in our hands. The seeds are waiting. The soil is calling. Let's answer that call. Let's show the world what we can do when we decide to grow. It's more than just gardening. It's a revolution. One plant, one harvest at a time. Let's get started because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Move, you can take your garden with you. It's flexible and accessible. So, you see, there's a way for everyone. Backyard for the traditionalists with space, hydroponics for the tech-savvy or indoor growers, container gardening for urban dwellers and small space magicians. The question isn't you can grow, but you want to grow. The important thing is to start. The plants are waiting for you to give them a chance. Just dust yourself off, learn the lesson, and plant something new. The journey is the reward. The important thing is to start. The plants are waiting for you to give them a chance. People always tell me, Ron, I ain't got no space to grow. And I say, look again, that no space idea is a myth we got to bust. Think vertical. You can grow up. Use shelves, hanging baskets, trellises. You can attach planters to a wall or a fence. Even a tiny balcony can hold a surprising amount of food if you go up. And what about your windowsills? They are prime real estate for small pots of herbs or microgreens. Another great option if you're short on personal space is community gardens. These are shared plots of land where people come together to grow food. It's a fantastic way to get a bigger space to cultivate, and you get to learn from other gardeners. You share tools, share knowledge, share the work, and share the harvest. It builds community like nothing else. Look around your neighborhood, ask at your local community center. There might be a community garden nearby, just waiting for you to join. And don't forget about growing indoors. Herbs are perfect for a sunny kitchen window. You can grow microgreens on a countertop in just a few days. Even if you only have a few small pots, you're still growing. Every little bit counts. It's about making a start, no matter how small it seems. So, throw out that no space excuse. Find your spot. Claim it. Plant something. Watch it grow. You got this. There is nothing like the taste of food you grew with your own hands. That tomato, still warm from the sun, sliced onto a piece of bread. That crisp lettuce you picked just minutes before making a salad. The flavor is on another level. It's real. It's alive. This is the reward for your effort, for your patience. It's a direct connection from the earth to your plate, and that connection tastes like victory. But growing your own food is about so much more than just the eating. It's therapy. Getting your hands in the soil, connecting with nature, it calms the mind. It reduces stress. Spending time in your garden is like hitting a reset button, watching a tiny seed sprout and grow into a plant that feeds you. That's a miracle you get to witness every day. It teaches you patience, it teaches you resilience, and think about what you're teaching your kids, your grandkids. When they help you plant those seeds, when they water the plants, when they get to pick that first ripe strawberry, you're giving them a gift that lasts a lifetime. You're teaching them where food comes from. You're teaching them about hard work and reward. You're passing on skills that are becoming rare. You're creating memories. You're building a legacy of connection to the earth. Ultimately, growing your own food is about empowerment. It's about self sufficiency. It's about taking control of a fundamental part of your life. So, I encourage you find your patch, grab your seeds, and start growing. It will change your life. Thanks for listening, and remember to show your support to the channel by hitting that thumbs up button. Continue growing, and I will see you in the next video.